In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inventory on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to refine your understanding, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make managing inventory as seamless as possible for you. First things first, you need to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the familiar QuickBooks Online sign-in page and enter your credentials. It's a straightforward step, but remembering your password or keeping it accessible can really make this process smoother. Once you've punched in the necessary details, hit continue. Doing so will take you to your QuickBooks homepage. Now that you're successfully in, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you will find a new button that's your gateway to various options. Click on this new button and a drop-down menu will appear. The drop-down holds a vast range of choices, but our focus today will be on managing inventory efficiently. In the drop-down menu under Other, you will see an option that says Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Select this to make any necessary changes to your product quantities. This is particularly useful if you've had recent inventory shipments, or if you're doing an end-of-season cleanup and want to set everything perfectly straight. Once you've clicked on Inventory Quantity Adjustment, you're going to need to add a product. QuickBooks provides a field where you can enter the specific product names, so be as precise as possible to avoid mix-ups later. It's like filling in a puzzle piece, aligning your physical inventory with what's recorded digitally. It's important to always use accurate product IDs or names that are recognized in your internal system. With your product recorded, you can now type in the quantity adjustment. This is where you'll enter the number that accurately reflects what's on hand in your stockroom. Be attentive here because any inaccuracies could lead to problems down the road. Finally, it's time to save your work. Find the Save and Close button, which is typically located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it once you're confident all your adjustments are correct. By doing this, you're ensuring that your inventory records are perfectly up to date, allowing your financials to be just as accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully added and adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. From signing in to saving your changes, each step plays a critical role in managing your business's inventory effortlessly. Keep this process in mind every time you need to update your records, and don't forget to periodically review your inventory to align what's physically in stock with your QuickBooks account. Thanks for watching, and happy inventory management.